Most AI code reviews have one big hidden problem. The AI is reviewing your code without really understanding your code base. It sees the diff, but it may not know what calls that code. It may not know what user flow is affected. It may not know which tests matter. And it may not know whether small looking change is actually touching something dangerous. That is why some AI reviews sound smart but still miss the real risk. Today, I want to show you the tool called Code Review Graph. It is built around one simple idea. Before AI reviews your code, it should understand your code base. Welcome back to Worth Knowing. This is a quick kickoff episode for the new series I'm doing on Code Review Graph. In this episode, I just want to show you what this tool is, why it exists, and why a developer using AI coding tool should at least know about it. If you use Cursor, Claude, Copilot, Codex, Windsurf, Gemini CLI, or any other AI coding workflow, this is worth paying attention to. Because the future of AI coding is not just better prompt, it is better context. The website positions Code Review Graph as a local code intelligence with MCP. In simple words, it gives your AI coding assistant structural map of your repository before it reviews your code. That matters because AI should not be guessing how your code works every time you ask for help. It should have a persistent understanding of your repo structure, not just change lines, not just random files, the actual relationship inside your code base. The big promise here is simple. Instead of making AI reread large part of your repo again and again, the code review builds a persistent local graph so AI can read only what matters. The website highlights 3 things that caught my attention: 8.2x context reduction, 30 MCP tools, and local first behavior by default. That combination is interesting because it is not just about giving AI more information, it is about giving the AI right information. Here is the problem this solves. When you ask for AI to review the code, the AI often has to discover the code base from the scratch. That wastes token. It fills the context window with noise, and it can still miss the actual risk. A senior engineer does not ask what changed. A senior engineer asks better questions. What depends on this? What breaks if this changes? What test covers this behavior? Is this part of critical path? Is this a shared utility? Is this file connected to many other parts of the system? That is where a graph becomes useful. Code Review Graph builds a structural map of your code base so that AI can reason about relationship, not just lines in a diff. This is why I think tool like this mattered. A lot of people think better AI coding is only about better prompts. But better prompts are not enough if AI has weak context. If AI has too little context, the review becomes shallow. If the AI has too much context, the review becomes noisy. But if AI has structured context, it can answer better questions. Questions like, what is the blast radius of this change? Which files are affected beyond the diff? Which test should be checked? Where is the architectural risk? And is this safe to merge? That is much closer to how real code review works. The basic setup is straightforward. You install it by the pip command. Then you install the integration by doing the install. And then you build the graph by issuing the build command. After that, your AI coding tool can use Code Review Graph through MCP so that instead of asking review this diff, you may ask something stronger. Use Code Review Graph to review the change, look at the blast radius, related test, affected flows, risky dependencies, and architectural risk. That is the completely different level of code review. Now AI is not looking at what changed. It is trying to understand what change impacts. So that is a quick overview of code review graph. Code review graph gives your AI coding assistant a local structural map of your repository. Not just changed lines, not just random files, a graph of how your code connects. And that matters because better AI coding is not about generating the code faster, it is about understanding the system better. It is about safer reviews. It is about finding the risk before merge. It is about reducing wasted context and making AI more useful. In this series, I'll go step by step. We'll install it. We will connect it with AI tools. We will run our first review. Then we will look at the blast radius missing test, architectural risk, and how to use this in a daily development workflow. So if you are using AI for coding, this is one tool worth knowing.